It's much more comfortable to wear as compared to, so I can make Starbucks type of coffee right at home. Hi guys, welcome back to Supermom TV, the channel that brings you the best tips, strategies and tools for building your profitable online business. So if you are new here, do consider subscribing to my channel and click the little bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. In today's video, I'm doing something different and I'm doing a dropshipping video. The reason why I didn't do dropshipping video for such a long time is due to COVID-19. So thankfully right now everything is back to normal. The shipping times is back to normal and everything is back in stock. During the start of this pandemic, my dropshipping stores were badly affected. I have a lot of orders, but yet they are all pending and the deliveries were all delayed. So for the past few months, I did a lot of product cancellation and refund to my customers. So because of this, I didn't want to do any video on dropshipping. Instead, I focused on what is trending, which is job servicing. So don't worry guys, once in a while I'll be doing dropshipping and as well as job servicing videos. Dropshipping and job servicing are my main source of income and I do this for a living. So while I'm doing these two business, it's good for me to share my experiences with you guys. So today I want to do something more fun. I have this idea of finding things around my house which are all my favorite items and I want to check out whether are they good to sell. So this is what I do every time when I want to source for new products for my dropshipping store. So basically I run an eBay dropshipping store and I look for trending products every single month. So let's go around my house and search for things that I like and check out whether these products are sellable. So let me check the bathroom first, see what we can find, which is my favorite product. This is one of my favorite household products that I found out recently and I feel that it is very helpful. It's supposed to be a silicone glove. These are not rubber, so it's very comfortable. And this glove is supposed to be for dishwashing, but I bought this to use for my bathroom. So it comes in a pair and it's much more comfortable to wear as compared to those normal rubber gloves. I do not like those rubbery, squeaky feeling. Yeah, I don't like to use rubber gloves. So I bought this is to scrub the sink and my bathtub. I find it especially useful to scrub the bathtub as well. Like you can see all this very hard to reach area which have a lot of mold, so it's easier to scrub with this. Basically, even the fingers has the bristle for you to scrub. Ta-da! So right now I'm in my filming room and let us check what I have that is my favorite, alright? Basically what I'm looking at is something really low cost because my eBay store is mostly those items which is less than $50. I found something and that is this. I've used this for like almost 2 years and I love this to death. I have been using this so much, especially during the quarantine time because I've been doing live streaming and also doing a lot of filming. So sometimes I do attach my camera on this just for a tabletop. To do a quick video, this is detachable, so I can attach my camera here and it will be my stand. And I like this tripod because it can stand. Why I like it so much is because it has a remote control. Right, this is a Bluetooth remote. Oops. So it can connect Bluetooth to my phone. So this is landscape mode. One thing good about this is I can use it as also portrait mode. So whenever I need to do like a live streaming or just a short video or even for my TikToks, I just recently started TikTok. if you guys want to follow me. My handle is Blissful Aries. So TikTok is actually another place for me to feature my creativity and something just for fun. So I can turn it on. You see the light here, that means it's turned on, and then I can just take video. Usually I like to take photos, like a selfie, and I need to stand far away. I can just take from here. Yay! Kitchen is the best place to find product ideas. In fact, I found a few products, but today I'm just going to share with you one product that I'm recently really obsessed about. How I found this product is because of the quarantine period. During the stay home period, I didn't want to go out the house to get a cup of coffee, but I'm quite bored of my homemade coffee. So that's why I found this product, which is a very simple milk frother. So I can make Starbucks type of coffee right at home. This is really a game changer for me, and because I'm a coffee lover, and it makes my coffee really very smooth. So I have a cup of coffee here. It's just normal black coffee. Just use this. This is like a mini frother, and it is electric. Just using 2 AA size battery. And look at that. In minutes, it has frothed up my coffee. The next thing is I just need to get a cup of either milk. I'm using cream because I'm on keto diet, so I'm using this whipping cream. And that's it. You can see a nice froth. Then you just need to pour the milk on top. And there you go. So it's either you can stir it up, or you can also use this to stir. Hi guys, so right now I want to check how sellable is this silicone rubber gloves on eBay. This is how I do my product research every time. Silicone dishwashing. This is supposed to be a dishwashing glove, but I use it to rub other things as well. So after you key in the product on the search bar, I will do a little filter and I will tick condition new. Also, because I'm only selling this product in the US, so I will tick a US only. And I want to check the past transactions, so I will take the sold items. Once I tick the sold items, the completed items will be automatically ticked as well. So right now, here the search result, it will show you how sellable is this product, like how often that this product is being sold. Okay, so we disregard the colors because the colors of the glove doesn't really matter. And as you see today, as I am filming this video, today is 24th of July, and this is because it's US time, so right now it's still 23rd of July. So almost what I can see here is every day I see that this product is selling. Like on the 23rd of July alone, how many sold? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is only based on this keyword here, silicone dishwashing gloves. If I were to key in another keyword, I think there'll be more result as well. So just stick to this silicone, because I believe I saw a lot of people putting their magic silicone dishwashing scrubber. If I were to put this keyword magic silicone dishwashing scrubber, I will get more results as well. Okay, let us check if on the other days whether it's sellable. 22nd of July, sold many also. 22nd of July, wow, still 22nd of July, 21st of July now. So you can see every single day these gloves is being sold on eBay, and it's only on eBay every single day. 20th of July now, yeah, and it goes on and on and on. So this proves that this product is very sellable. It is not only sellable on eBay platform. I believe if you were to do a research on other platforms, I believe that this is also very sellable. Okay, right now let us check the milk frother device. So let us try milk frother. Okay, here's the suggestion, handheld. And the filters remain, so 2 filters applied. Okay, the 2 filters we used just now was US only and sold listings. Okay, as you can see, 23rd of July, there is a few sold. Yeah, even though some designs might be different, but we just want to get an idea of how sellable is this product, regardless of the brand or the design. Okay, and this one, 23rd of July, is a, wow, 45 product ratings. 22nd of July, yep, it is also very sellable. 22nd of July, 22nd of July, 22nd of July. Wow, 22nd of July sold a lot. 21st of July. So this product is also sold on a daily basis on eBay. Okay, so this proves that this product is very sellable. Now to the last item, which is the selfie stick tripod with remote. Okay, so the same 2 filters applied. Okay, so this one also has different designs. So we want to see how sellable is this product. And this is 22nd of July. Okay, 22nd of July. So 22nd of July alone, many of it sold as well. 21st of July, 21st of July. So what we want to check is, as long as the item is being sold on a daily basis, it is considered a sellable product and is considered a trending product. Alright? Yes, it's every day. Every single day you can see. And because this product has a lot of variation and different types of keywords. So for example, if I were to try the suggested one, 3-in-1 selfie, and you will see there will be more suggested ones. Like just now when we searched the previous keywords, on 23rd of July we didn't sold any. But if you use different keyword and you search, you can see that 23rd of July there's one sold here. So as you can see that these products have different keywords. Like this is called the 3-in-1 wireless. So different sellers put in different keywords, that's why, and also different titles, that's why you have different results. But at the end of the day, we want to know that roughly that how often is this product being sold. So it is evident that this product is also a very sellable product. I'm glad that these 3 products are so sellable on eBay. Right now, I'm gonna put all these 3 products to test. I will let you know next week if I'm able to sell any of them. One thing about doing dropshipping is you need to constantly look for trending and winning products from time to time so that you can beat the competition and also get more sales. Let me know if you have enjoyed today's video. If yes, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Leave your questions down in the comment section below. If you have any video suggestion for me, do leave them down in the comment section below as well. So that's all for my video today. Have a great weekend and I'll see you next week. Bye bye!